What up, Husky homies? Welcome back to another video. I'm Joey. Steele's outside right now, getting ready to be pranked. Welcome back to another video with my dog because I have no friends. What do you do when you have no friends? You search on the internet for friends. What do you do when you search on the internet? You find random videos of dinosaurs, costumes, chasing around their dog. So what did I do? Bought a dinosaur costume. Actually, I haven't even opened it, so Steele's never seen me with this. He's outside right now. We'll see how he reacts. He's like legitimately scared of everything, so I'm sure he's gonna be scared of this.